Hello, today we will revise capital ABC. Let's start our class.
Good morning, everyone. How are you? You know who am I? I'm your new teacher. My name is Mrs. Soni. I will take your class. And in which class you are? You are in pre-primary class. And I kept one new name for your class. You know what that? That is on a flower. This is a flower and it's a marigold. So, my class name is Pre-Primary Marigold. Okay, fine? Remember my name? Soni ma'am. Okay, already children you have done ABC. किया हुआ है ना ABC? सबने A to Z already you have done in nursery class. So let's revise it one more time with Soni ma'am. Okay, let's see. It is A. A for apple. And more words you will learn with the A. A for aeroplane, A for X. जितने भी मैम ने करवाए हैं, you will learn all that. This is capital B. B for ball. And B for bus. How many people can sit in the bus? So many. And how many wheels are there in a bus? 4 wheels. You know that, no? You are all kids are very intelligent. C for carrot. And you know carrot is very good for our health. गाजर का हलवा भी खाते हैं you. खाते हैं ना, यम्मी यम्मी लगता है. और C for क्या होता है? C for cup. C for cup. कप में मामा क्या करती है? मामा takes the tea in the cup. D for dog. Wow, 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 wow. Dog is a pet animal. कई बेबीज के घर में डॉग होता है ना. लव डॉग. डॉग बहुत प्यारे होते हैं. वो क्या करते हैं? When some thieves come, जब कोई thief आ जाता है, चोर आ जाता है, what the dogs do? He barks. Wow, wow, wow. bark करता है ना, भौंकता है. उससे क्या होता है? जो thief होता है वो भाग जाता है. So D for dog, D for doll, D for duck, duck says quack quack. E for engine. और E for क्या होता है? E for eyes. होता है ना? Eyes. What we do with our eyes? See everything. अभी I close my eyes, I cannot see you. If I will open my eyes, so I can see you. So, F for fish. Fish swim in the water. You live in your house and fish live in the water. That is fish house. So, we should not pollute the water. Rivers को हमको pollute नहीं करना चाहिए. G for giraffe. A long neck. Giraffe is the tallest animal. सबसे लंबा होता है. H for hen. Hen gives us egg. Sunday हो या Monday, रोज खाओ अंडे. I for ice cream. I love ice cream. And in which season you can eat ice cream? In the summer season. और अब तो समर अराइव्स. आ गया ना समर, तो आइसक्रीम खानी होगी, तो यू कैन आस्क टू योर मम्मा. ओके. J for jam. Put the jam on the bread slice. K for kite. Fly the kite in the sky. सर उड़ी पतंग. फर उड़ी पतंग. काइट को पतंग में कहते हैं. I for lion. And you know, lion is the king of jungle. जंगल का राजा होता है. How the lion roars. And M for mango. See, the mango is smiling. You know why the mango is smiling? Because mango is also king of fruits. जो fruits का king है. Okay? And for necklace, where we wear the necklace? In the neck. See, this is my necklace. So, मम्मी भी पहनती है necklace. O for owl. And you know, owl can see in the night time when it is dark. जब चारों तरफ अंधेरा होता है, owl को दिखता है. Okay, this is capital P. P for peacock. And peacock is, what is peacock? Peacock is our national bird. And you know, वो जब अपनी feathers को ऐसे करता है, फैलाता है, when the rains come, peacock अपने feathers को ऐसे करते हैं. And it dances very nicely. Q for queen. Queen कौन होती है? रानी. R for rabbit. Rabbit likes to eat carrot. S for sun. Sun shine in the sky. Sun shine in the sky. जब sun होता है तो डे टाइम होता है. T for tortoise. And tortoise is also a water animal. So we should not pollute the water. हम यदि हमारे घर को कोई गंदा करेगा, how will we feel? हमको बुरा लगेगा ना. इसलिए हमें water को भी pollute नहीं करना. So we should not throw the garbage in the rivers. कुछ भी नहीं फेंकना चाहिए, okay? Because you all are good children. U for umbrella. बारिश आती छम छम छम, छाता लेके निकले हम. V for vest. You know what is vest? Banyan. W for watch. We see the time in the watch. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. और Xmas tree कब देखते हैं? जब क्या आता है? क्रिसमस आता है. और we decorate the Xmas tree. Y for yellow. It's a crayon color. Yellow crayon color. और Z for zip. Zip कहाँ होती है? हमारे trousers में, हमारे shorts में, sometime in the jacket, shirts. So we have revised all these letters. I love these letters. So we will write in the notebook also. Let's come with me. So kids, you have this type of English notebook. Cover your English notebook with the orange color paper. ठीक है, सबको ऑरेंज कलर से अपनी इंग्लिश की नोटबुक को कवर करना है. And what you will do? You will write the date here. सबको मालूम है ना डेट लिखनी होती है. So you will write the date here like this. ये जो बॉक्स है, इस बॉक्स से you will not come out. इस बॉक्स से हमको बाहर नहीं आना. Okay, fine. You will write the date like this. After that, you will write CW here and put the dot between it and write A dash. It means 2. A to Z. Okay, fine. Now you will start writing from here. A. A says A. B. B says B. C. C says K. D. D says D. E. E says F. F says F. G. G says G. H. H says H. I. I says E. J. J says J. K. K says K. इसका means भी क, ये भी क. When I will teach the words with these two letters, आपको differentiate पता चल जाएगा किस में आपको K लगाना है और किस में C. ओके. L. L says L. M. M says M. N. हम N को ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. When first you write 11, then join it from here. N. N says N. O. O says O. P. P says P. Q. Q says Q. R. R says R. S. S says S. T. T says T. U. U says A. अ भी होता है एंड ऊ भी. ये भी मैं आपको बाद में दोबारा बताऊंगी. When we will start the writing words, जब लिखने स्टार्ट करेंगे तब. V. V says V. W. W says वह. X. X says X. Y. Y. Y says Y. Z. Z says Z. And it's completed. We have written alphabets here, but don't forget to learn the sound of these alphabets. Okay, do this work in your English notebook and send that to your teacher. Okay, bye. Again I will come with another lesson.